Hello again and welcome to Screencasts Online. I'm Darcy, and today we're continuing in a series of Apple Watch related videos. I've previously covered topics like productivity, media, and the iPhone Watch app across a variety of full and tip shows. So check those out too. But in this video, we're covering health related apps and features. Of those, the watch has many. From heart rate sensors, blood oxygen, temperature, and crash detection, the watch is well equipped to keep you informed about your health. I will give a little disclaimer at this point, and it's related to how Apple themselves market the health features of this product. All of them are meant to act as a guide only, and Apple always recommends speaking with a doctor or calling emergency services if you're in a crisis. The watch alone should not be used to make medical decisions. I'm guessing here, but this is likely due to a variety of reasons. Even though the accuracy of those features are inextricably high, there's no accounting for things like how the user is wearing the watch, environmental factors that may affect results, pre-existing or unknown conditions of a person, and so on. So for reasons like this, if you do get a concerning result, please speak with your doctor. With that out of the way, we've got a lot of great apps to cover, so let's get going. Recording exercise information is the main use I have for the watch. Whenever I'm cycling or running, the sensors will record my distance, heart rate, calories burnt, track my route, and more. When the app is opened, you'll see all of your most recent workout types first. The watch can actually tell the difference between types of exercises, making the data more accurate. For instance, running 10 kilometers would require more energy than cycling that distance. So the watch is using a combination of data like heart rate and GPS to contextualize it. You can delete workouts from this shortlist by swiping left and tapping the red cross. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Add Workout. There are many different activity types to choose from. For anyone subscribed to Apple One, you'll also have access to narrated fitness workouts that can be added here. By and large, they're motivational and intended to help you through a walk or run. Tap the audio workout at the top to see the most recent episodes and scroll through. Below this, we have all the different workout types. If you tap on one, it begins the workout with the conditions shown under the workout name. For instance, under cycling, it says open goal, so basically just cycle as long as you want to. But under elliptical, it says 10 minutes. So I'll be notified after 10 minutes of performing the workout that it's time to stop. This can be edited by tapping the ellipsis on the right. In this section, we have a list of suggested workouts for this exercise type. Some are a time duration. Others are related to how many calories you want to burn during the workout. So within the exercise type, we can create different workouts. I can edit these workouts by tapping the pencil icon. For time, I can edit the duration. Or if I selected a calorie or open goal, it would take the place of the top field. Tap it to edit. Then tap Done when you're finished. Alerts can also be customized for workouts. Under heart rate, you can receive a notification when your BPM falls out of a certain range. So below 131 beats per minute, below 132 or above 145, so that you're staying within a certain intensity range, and so on. Scroll down and select Custom Range to set your own range. For the time range, it says you'll receive an alert at each multiple of the time you set below during your workout. So if I turn it on and leave it at 5 minutes, I'll get an alert every 5 minutes. Then we have workout views.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.